everyone. This is Faheem Jackson, and this is episode 145 of my podcast show, In the Know. This podcast is aimed at trying to guide people through the world with a variety of topics. Each season, there will be a particular group of topics. Within these topics, I'm asking questions and trying my best to answer these questions with my viewpoints of the world around me. The following introduction speech is for the topic of today, and that is, what are some good supplements that one should use on your fitness journey? As someone who has been actively working on his physique since 2018, then it will come as no surprise that I have taken some sort of supplement on my journey. And when choosing wisely, there's nothing wrong with taking supplements. Yet I would implore upon you to make sure you do your research. Don't just take what you see someone take because you want the same results. Because there are a lot of people out here who are not telling you that they're on steroids. Not long ago, there was a popular man on Instagram who was an influencer in the fitness space. He died not that long back, and we seem to ask, how does someone so fit die so young? That is until you hear he took supplements that possibly could have contributed to his death. So be mindful of what you take into your body. In this episode, I will take you through some potential supplements that one may take. I also can share with you some of my decisions. So listen and enjoy the show and share with your friends. As for YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe from the platform. So let's get into it. What are some supplements and their form? What are supplements? When we use supplements to put into our body for working out, we have to first know what supplements are and also what form they come in. The form can be a pill or a powder form. Now, there are always the forms of snack bars, though I have not tried those myself, so I cannot tell you definitively if they work. So I will talk more from the standpoint of taking powder. When it comes to powder, there will generally be a scoop inside the container that will be used to place powder in the cup or bottle. The powder will have directions on the side that shows on the many scoops you should use and how often you should use the powder. When I say it shows on the side, the directions are usually on the container. Some will come with their own funnel as well. But I have yet to buy one with a funnel. So in my opinion, I would say go and purchase a funnel for yourself and do things that way. Meaning pour the powder through the funnel and into the cup or the bottle that you will be using. As for the pill form, I would say for you to reach out to someone who has tried this and make sure it has worked. Now let's move on to the next section of the show. That is the supplements aiding people. What is meant by that? Who does it aid? Who does supplements aid? When you are someone that uses supplements, they are of true benefit. And as they can be dependent upon who uses it. Or better yet, are you using it the right way? Let's say you're someone that is seeking to lose weight. I'm not really knowledgeable in regards to losing weight, but when it comes to gaining weight, there are so many people who can show you how to take the right supplements for those gains. For instance, when you are logged in on Instagram, go to the people who are in the fitness space, and that will be the place you see the most people who are using supplements. And if you thumb through their content enough, then you're going to notice they'll be using supplements. Most of them will be consuming the powder form and not really much of the pills. So yes, the supplements aid those types of people in their fitness journeys as well. Now, most of them, like I said, will be using powder. Now, but you can't take just any supplements alone. There's a meal consumption process along with that supplement. I'll be talking about that more in depth in a few sections. Where is the best place to purchase these supplements? When it comes to places to buy supplements, you can go to a number of places, but I would say that the best place to go, of course, to me is GNC. This is a very popular place in stores and on the website. This is a store where you can get both powder and pill form. Another location is Vitamin Shop. I've never been here myself, but they have plenty in New York City. You can also go to places like Sam's Club, Dick's Sporting Goods, Costco, Herbalife, Walmart, Kroger, and of course Amazon. As for the fitness gurus that you follow on the internet, you can buy the supplements that they have on their site, meaning there are fitness trainers that I follow on Instagram who have their own supplements on the profile in the link of their bio. You click on their profile link and it takes you to their website. They have a list of supplements that they either endorse or have of their own. I've never tried these supplements myself. I stick to the ones I trust because you never know what people are using in order to achieve the outcomes they get, as I said earlier in this episode. But don't always be cautious because some of their products actually work. Now let's look at the meals. What are the meals you should eat with supplements? As for the meals that you should be consuming, I have some things that I like to eat, but for you, it could be different depending on whether you want to lose weight or gain weight. For trying to gain weight, then you're going to have to consume yogurts, nuts, berries, and oats for something that is light. For a breakfast meal, you can find yourself eating pancakes, waffles, eggs, both hard and scrambled, toast, bacon, orange juice for the beverage, or even water to drink with it. Baked chicken breast, salmon, white rice, macaroni and cheese, and mashed potatoes with gravy. Those could be for the later meals. You are to consume multiple meals per day, like about 4 or 5. When trying to lose weight, then you're going to have to consume less meals and less calories. And yes, for the people who are losing weight, the protein shake won't be as an ingredient heavy, which will put on more weight, like the protein shakes for weight gain that I use. Now, as with using supplements, there are always going to be the ones that you should keep your hands off of, which are bad for your health. And when I say bad for your health, I'm referring to the long-term consequences of extended use of supplements that give you great gains, but they're immediate gains. What supplements should you not want to use? As for the supplements that one should stray away from, and those are any performance-enhancing drug like a steroid. These can come in a pill or a shot form. That's right, a shot, usually to the buttocks, which is the most optimal spot. But there are current problems one will face as well as long-term complications from taking steroids. You have an amazing physique, yet there are cancers that can form as well as organ shutdown over the long haul. You will also start to take on a more aggressive stance when dealing with people in your everyday life. We call this term roid rage, which is a result of over testosterone in the body, caused by steroids in the body. There are other supplements, such as human growth hormones, which aid in increasing muscle mass while also reducing body fat. This is used by athletes, but yet it's illegal. Over time, you can cause irreversible damage to the body in the form of cancers and type 2 diabetes. Another supplement would be stimulants, which can speed up messages to the brain and body. They also aid in alertness, confidence, and energy. Now, the downsides of the stimulants is decreased appetite, weight loss, and psychosis, meaning a loss of contact with reality. Next, let's go into the supplements that I tend to use. What are these supplements? See, for me, I have only used a small group of supplements for myself in my weight gain journey. I always get my supplements, like I said earlier, from GNC, and it is always something that is safe. I cut no corners when trying to gain weight and lift weights. One of the supplements I use is whey powder that says GNC on the container. This powder has a lot of protein. They even tell you when to use, how often, and how much to use. The label also tells you you should never use alone as a substitute. It should go along with the meals that you consume. Now, I don't use everything that GNC sells because I am unaware of the downsides that come along with the usages of everything. I also like to use something called Beyond Raw, which is a booster to your exercise. When you're using this, I would say use only 1 scoop. The scooper is generally quite small, but you only need 1 scoop. If you take more than 1, then you'll start to feel quite fatigued. The first time I tried this, I over scooped and that happened. So you only need to have one scoop to get that tingling feeling that you get in your body afterward and mixed in your drink, which is normal. That is the supplement working in your body. But also make sure you drink water as well as aid in your workout. Something you should be doing anyways. In the next section, we're going to go into the area of the influencers on social media. What are some influencers in the sphere? For me, I have a few people that I can look to that I want to share with you. One of the guys goes by the name Masood on Instagram, whose real name is Anton Antipov. He is very bulk and cut at the same time. I've been following him for quite some time. He's an award-winning lifter and physique modeling champion. Another person who is someone that I follow goes by the name Vales Fitness, which is VEALS FITNES_. He shows his transformation, but also the people that he works with along with his website that consists of training programs. Another fitness trainer on Instagram goes by the name Starboy_Kamar, which is CAMAIR, or his name, Coach Rambo. He puts out videos that are shorts of himself performing workouts that can be performed in a gym with sets and how many reps. He also puts testimonials of people he worked with on his page. A more known person on the internet, I would have to say goes by the name Hollywood Hino. He works with a lot of celebrities to keep them in shape, especially when the person is an entertainer on stage and has to move around a lot in multiple cities, across the country, and around the world. Now, with regards to using supplements, you have to know when to stop. So, when should you stop using supplements? If you're using some type of supplement, you start to feel a sense of discomfort as a result of this usage, then stop. Because your body is most likely rejecting what is entering your body. This is giving you signs to stop doing whatever it is you're doing. And if the body stops reacting in a negative manner, then it may have been the supplements. Now, I myself have never been down this road, so I can't tell you firsthand the downsides, and most of that comes from me choosing the healthiest supplements that won't render a negative outcome. I've seen videos where lifters are using some type of supplement and it shows on their bodies. They have pimples and spots that form on the body at times. They look good on the outside, but on the inside, their bodies are slowly breaking down. These drugs are not good for you and are illegal in professional sports, but they are illegal for an average person as well. So the likelihood of using it as an average person can still actually be high. As for taking a drug test on a job, it will appear on the drug test. I don't know what may happen. I wouldn't risk it to find out on the job. In the next section, I want to explore any new supplements that are on the market. What are some new supplements or coming to the market supplements? There are supplements that contribute to muscle growth that are seen as popular in this year of 2023. The first one is called D-Bell Max, which is for lean muscle mass. This pill is for explosive energy, maximum strength, and mega muscle growth, rapid recovery, and fast fat burn. There are ingredients that contribute to this supplement working: zinc, copper, vitamin C, vitamin B6, magnesium, and vitamin B9 folic acid. The supplement contributes to growth hormones, elevated T cells, reduces muscle soreness, amplifies energy, fast recovery, and accelerates strength gains. There is also a supplement on the market. There is Crazy Bulking Stack, which is another supplement aiding in gaining weight quickly while maximizing growth potential. You're able to push yourself to increase muscle mass, increase strength that is superior, and fast recovery. Then there's Trinol, which aids in muscle tissue regaining more nitrogen, a building block of protein. This supplement annihilates fat, getting you toned, getting you ripped, and delivering a punch. In this supplement, the formula is pepsine, lactose, rice concentrate, cemento, inner bark, and beta cetotosterol. So, with this show wrap up, while we have to ask the question, what are some good supplements that one should take on their fitness journey? This episode has been about highlighting the use of supplements in order to increase your muscle strength, increase energy, increase alertness, boost hormones, weight loss and gains, and a faster recovery. I use every supplement myself from GNC. Things that tend to be more PEDs or PEDs or steroids are not safe for you. You will get fast results. They look good from the outside, but you'll get inside downsides in the long run. Illnesses such as cancers that can lead to organ failure. So all supplements are not good supplements. Yet there are always going to be supplements to take which will aid in giving you results without the negative downsides later. You will have results that take a lot longer, but will have more positive outcomes. Thank you for listening to In the Know, and I'll be bringing you a new season of the podcast. We are wrapping the fitness and wellness journey and walking into gender theories. That's right. There's been a lot of conversations throughout social media on the gender dynamics in America and around the world. So season 4 will be all about gender-related topics. And the first question, or the first episode, is why don't we push girls like we push the boys?